Hey howdy hey folks, I'm back today showing you the connection of a Magic Band Buddy that has the back part sliding up onto the front part of your Magic Band Buddy. This connection applies to many Magic Band Buddies, but I will be showing you the Teacup, Slinky, Dog, and Small World Clock connection. These all represent a ride, Teacup with the spinning teacups, Small World with the Small World ride, both of which I'm not a huge fan of. However, I am very excited for the Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster coming to Toy Story Land soon. Anyways, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is set those aside. And go ahead and grab the wristbands that you received from the Walt Disney World Resort. Once you have your Magic Band wristband, go ahead and open it up. You will see two screws. You only need to remove one of them to be able to pop out the puck from the front. Let's get started. Once the screw is removed, set it aside. You can then pop the puck out from the front by placing your thumb over the mouse head and pushing. Once you have it removed from the wristband, go ahead and set the rest of the wristband aside. You will not need it again. Repeat these steps for all of the Magic Band wristbands that you have. When doing this, remember to keep in mind that you could potentially strip the screws or the screwdriver, so be careful of that. But if you do, no worries, you can go ahead and try the second screw, because remember, you only need to remove one of the screws. Once you have all the pucks from your Magic Band wristbands removed, you're ready to go ahead and bring these Magic Band Buddies back in. We'll start with the teacup. The teacup is pretty simple. All you have to do is take off the front and back part. It simply slides on with that notch, and then the front part right here covers the bottom part so that it snugly holds it in place. Let me show you. We take the puck, put it into the oval, then take the back part and slide them together. Once it's snug, the holes should line up, and you can thread the binder ring back through the hole. Make sure these holes are lined up, for if they're not, it could be quite difficult to get the binder ring back through the hole. Once you do that, you can attach it to any piece of clothing you wish. Let's do Small World Clock next. Remember, this applies to all Magic Band Buddies that have the connection where the bottom part covers up part of the front part, like so. Basically, all you have to do is take the puck, put it into the front part, and take the front part and put it into the back part, with the bottom of the back part covering up the bottom of the front part. Slinky is a little weird. His ear is part of the back. Anyways, take the puck, put it into Slinky, take the back, line up the connector. He does have an assisting slide-on connector right there to help, and then just push it on. You'll know if it's lined up if the holes are lined up. See how it's not? All you have to do is push the ear into place. You're good to go, and then thread the binder ring through. You're now free to attach it to any piece of clothing you wish. Once you've done this for all of your Magic Band Buddies of this type, you are ready for a fun day in the parks. Thank you for watching, hope this helps, and have a magical day.